Dogecoin value conjecture October 2022. The in every way that really matters typical expense of Dogecoin Doge could go to 0097 toward October's end in an unpretentious manner. Doge could basically be trading around a biggest really worth of 011 with the base expected cost of 0094 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation November 2022. With respect to November 2022 Dogecoin cost fundamentally is measured to essentially show up at a most decreased possible level of 0095. The Doge cost could show up at a most kind of outrageous possible level of 011 with the common check cost of 0099, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin Doge value expectation December 2022 concerning December 2022 Dogecoin cost is measured to really show up at an in a real sense the most impossible level of 0097, which is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could essentially show up at a biggest possible level of 012 with the regular gauge cost of 010 within the latest 1 month. The expense of Doge reduced by 28,646, taking out an extraordinary certainly ordinary measure of 0027 from its continuous kind of worth. Incredibly, this unforeseen down suggests that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the by and large present time, inferring that it might be a good buy and expected especially open entryway for quick endeavor. The 90 days cost change is close 5714 and the expense generally moved from a base regular expense of 015 to most noteworthy typical expense of 016 in the past 90 days in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin certainly is someplace close 6062 with the most beautiful outrageous regular expense of the coin explicitly was around 018 and the base common worth of in every practical sense was around 017 in past 4 months. Dogecoin value estimate 2022 facts. What will be Dogecoin really worth in 2022 in spite of mainstream thinking? The Doge cost by and large is assessed to show up at a biggest level of 012 with smallest expense of 0097 close to the completion of 2022 or so they especially thought. Does Dogecoin have a future in an especially significant manner to the extent that worth? Dogecoin especially has an exceptional potential to show up at new levels for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, it in a real sense is guessed that Doge will increase in regard according to express-trained professionals and business examiners. Dogecoin can sort of rock the boat in and out of town cost of 353 till 2030, which basically is very huge. Is Dogecoin worth buying in 2022? Dogecoins in every way that really matters worth generally should fundamentally continue to develop as need will in truly broad empower cost ascend amazingly on the off chance that it's not excessively truly much difficulty. Note there is a bet to any endeavor in an unobtrusive manner, just truly placed assets into what you can in a real sense accomplish before showing up at any goals and explicitly lead the without a doubt outrageous assessment possible. Dogecoin value gauge January 2023 the typical expense of Dogecoin Doge could go to 011 toward January's end or so. They thought Doge could in every practical sense be trading around a biggest pretty worth of 011 with the base expected cost of 0096 in an unpretentious manner. Doge value figure February 2023 in February 2023 the expense of not entirely set in stone to explicitly be at around a base worth of 011, which is genuinely critical. The Dogecoin an incentive in every practical sense worth can generally show up at a restriction of 011 with a regular trading kind of worth of 011 in us. Dogecoin Doge value estimate walk 2023 for spring. The expense of Dogecoin really is expected to sort of show up at a regular month to month outright uttermost for the most part reaches of 011. Well, the coin will trade between a constraint of 012 and at kind of the least 011 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation April 2023 with respect to April 2023 Dogecoin cost truly is measured to especially show up at a most diminished possible level of 011. The Doge cost could show up at a most exceptionally outrageous possible level of 012 with a run-of-the-mill guess cost of 012 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value figure May 2023 for May the expense of Dogecoin is expected to basically show up at a common month to month in every practical sense uttermost truly reaches of 0.12, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.13 and at all things considered least 0.11 genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge value estimate June 2023. In June 2023 the expense of Dogecoin not entirely set in stone to especially be at around a base worth of 0.12, which is genuinely huge. The Dogecoin esteem worth can in every way that really matters show up at a constraint of 0.14, with the common trading in every way that really matters worth of 0.12 in us in an extremely huge way. Dogecoin Doge value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023 Dogecoin cost is figured to show up at an actually the most impossible level of 0.12. As opposed to mainstream thinking the Doge cost could show up at a most outrageous possible level of 0.14, with a commonplace guess cost of 0.13. In a sort of significant manner Dogecoin value figure August 2023, the essentially typical expense of Dogecoin Doge could go to 0.13 toward August's end or so. They in a real sense thought Doge could be trading around a generally exceptionally outrageous worth of 0.15 with the base expected cost of 0.13. In an unpretentious manner, Dogecoin Doge value expectation September 2023 with respect to September 2023 Dogecoin cost is figured to show up at and in a real sense, the most impossible level of 0.13, which is very huge. The Doge cost could explicitly show up at a biggest possible level of 0.15, with the common guess cost of 0.14. Dogecoin Doge value conjecture October 2023 for October, the expense of Dogecoin truly is expected to show up at a normal month-to-month, practically the uttermost spans of 0.14. While the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.16 and at sort of the least 0.14 incredibly. Dogecoin Doge value figure November 2023 for November, the expense of Dogecoin essentially is expected to explicitly show up at an ordinary month-to-month, in every practical sense, farthest for the most part reaches of 0.15. While the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.16 and no less than 0.14 in a truly significant manner. Doge value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the expense of Dogecoin in a real sense is assessed to generally be at around a base really worth of 0.15. In an unpretentious manner the Dogecoin esteem worth can fundamentally show up at a restriction of 0.17. With the ordinary trading worth of 0.15 in us within the latest 1 month, the expense of Doge reduced by 28,646, discarding a dumbfounding normal measure of 0.027 from its continuous worth. This unforeseen down suggests that the coin basically is in plunge at the kind of present time, suggesting that it might really be a nice buy, an important entryway for quick endeavor. In an especially significant manner, the 90 days cost change is close 57.14 and the expense flowed from a base regular expense of 0.15 to generally outrageous typical expense of 0.16 in the past 90 days. In a sort of large manner Dogecoin by and large is some place close 60.62 with the best commonplace expense of the coin was around 0.18